this on record. We are aware that the cameras at that hotel, the cameras were active. We are aware of that. We are aware as well that there are statements given to the police in relation to what they saw on the phone of a person of interest to that hotel. So so this whole question of I don't know if the police are waiting until I know that these things are stored in the clouds, and we currently have another expert looking at that. But the thing about it is that if the police think that they are going to wait until all these things are disappeared out of the clouds and you can't get any type of footage whatsoever, then to come to tell the public, or at some stage to say that we have no video, it remains questionable. We are also aware of the amount of DVRs that were handed over to the police that were retrieved from this. There are witnesses who saw when the police removed the DVR from the building. There are witnesses. There are witnesses who saw how many DVRs were handed over. And I can tell you the numbers differ. The numbers differ. I'm not going to call the numbers. They know the numbers. But I'm saying, not because the family and the legal team, we are not engaging the police on these various points, that they must think that the knowledge is not there in relation to what is going on in this matter. But as I said, we will not pursue a matter in court calling on the police to act in this investigation, because the police remain on record in saying that this matter is active. And so if there is any challenge, we're experienced lawyers. We know people are calling and saying, let us go to the court, let us go to the court. But if we go to the court and compel the police to do certain things, it is likely to be deemed a premature matter, because the police are saying that the matter is still under investigation and it's still active. So we are awaiting the police to say they have concluded their investigations. And then we are going to present very clearly what is it we have. Then we are going to compare what the police has done and what we know from the investigations which were done on the ground. And then we will definitely battle this out in court. But we are calling on the police to recognize that their continued posture in this matter continues to be very worrying. You can't have an investigator submitting and saying certain findings, and then the crime chief is coming to say that the investigation is still active. Are they going to recall the investigator to now review additional work done on the matter? Is the investigator going to amend his report? So I think every time the message goes out there and it conflicts with what has been done before, it further opens the wound of the family members. And they are